Hey guys, so I just entered the classroom. I'm teaching a small workshop of 5 on how to use AI to make money and reduce student debt, how to use AI to make videos, and so much more. Visit UptrendNation.com to get the best AI tools. So I've been using AI for a year and it has completely changed my workflow. I get things done 20 times faster than I normally would, and it is coming for all of our jobs, at least impacted whether it's you gotta use it to write emails or you have to use it to scan someone's ID. Like, it's coming whether we like it or not. And so I feel like hosting this workshop with these students today is gonna really help people, and you, the viewer in particular, learn how to use AI to your advantage so that if it does come and negatively impact your work, you'll know how to at least use it to start another side hustle or start, something else over here and use it so that it's not just a negative, threat to your workflow or your life. You know how to use it in different ways.
So how can AI work for me? Okay, so here are my recommended fundamental tools, because you can use these for a variety of side hustles. I always say that let the computer do what it does best. A lot of us we don't really know how to type fast. We don't know how to really use the computer like that. And so I say, hey, the computer, it knows AI better than we do. It knows all of these systems and these programs. Let's use it to our advantage. And we also have less effort equals more happy people, happy customers, happy producers. Let's just say you have a customer or a boss who they want the finished product. So I always say, give people what they want. And now we can use AI to do it faster. AI can create graphics. And these are some AI generated photos. It can correct grammar and instantly provide really long articles and books within seconds. And it can even give you links and citations to make music and lead generation. Okay, my favorite. So AI for YouTube. So I got my start on YouTube. And so some of the benefits of YouTube is that you can make extra money. You can have a full-time income, a whole career from YouTube. It gives you exposure for new brands, business ideas, and you get to build a special amount of trust and connection with your audience. Plus, you get to find organic traffic. So every month I get tens of thousands of visitors to my blog, and those are new customers. Some of the cons is that you can get copyrighted. There can be a lot of obstacles. So here are 3 steps to video creation with AI, and I'm actually going to show you how I use it.
If you have an already made script, you can use this script to video. If you want to make a YouTube explainer, YouTube shorts, you can click on it and you'll see that all of these options that you need to fill in are right here. So create a fast-paced or very fast-paced YouTube shorts with the background music and the language and all these additional settings to make your video the best possible. And now I'm going to use my own personal prompt with all the criteria that I was talking about before. Make a YouTube short about the top 5 things to do in New York City, the tone I want to make it funny, adventure music, and around 60 seconds. Now all I have to do is click on generate a video. On the next page, you'll see that you have to select audience. I'll do adventure seeker. You have look and feel. I'll do humorous, and platform. I'll do YouTube shorts. New York City. Here are the top 5 things you absolutely must do when you're here. Number 1, visit the Statue of Liberty. So all I'm gonna do is give a command that you can use natural language to edit the video. I'm gonna write put the subtitles on the bottom of the video and click on generate. As you can see, it put the subtitles on the bottom, which is really good. They currently have 55 different languages that you can pick between, which is really cool because most of the world actually doesn't speak English. So being able to post your content in many different languages is a complete game changer. I'll change the language to German and click on generate. And now this is how it looks like. Nummer 1, besuch die Freiheitsstatue. Denn was wäre ein Trip nach NYC ohne ein Hallo an die grüne Lady?
My next one I'm going to give you is Notion. So it's really more so if you're interested in the YouTube So Notion is just helping all of your organization come together. Canva is what I'm using to present this right now. And I recommend it for everybody. It can put together flyers, videos, like whatever you need, graphic design wise, Canva is your go-to. There's some eligibility requirements for YouTube, 500 subscribers, at least 3 uploads in the past 90 days, and 3K watch hours. How I got monetized and started making money from YouTube without being advertised is affiliate marketing. So I would get, for example, Amazon, you can become an associate and you get earn commissions from products you get people to buy through your links. So I will put them on my YouTube and in my blog. So here's one of my screenshots from my YouTube channel. So one of my videos got 100,000 views. And this is how much revenue and subscribers I make from that one video. So this is just
how much did you make?
1,300.
What?
And this is giving you like. And here's my next one. This is my highest earning month from YouTube. And this was Wendy Williams. Yes.
You did a blog on that?
Yeah, I have a channel where I have a lot of Wendy fans. Yeah, and so I've been able to really kind of make a business talking about the pop culture and things like that. And so I've used AI to help with the process and making the thumbnails of things. So here's some advice. YouTube growth is slow, but it's a long-term game. So it really is a business. Treat it like a science experiment. So don't get too caught up in, well, what are they, I used to get caught up in how many subscribers and how much money. I just focus on treating it like a testing experiment. So I'm always just testing. Expand on what works. So if you find something that gets attention, make that a thing. Have a blog. So don't just have a Facebook or don't just have one platform. Have something that you can collect people and get them on board. And success is in the process, not the end result. So like that Wendy Williams video, my success was just getting the video made. That was success to me. So it's just getting that delivered and having a process that you can stick with, TubeBuddy is the tool that you can use to get organic into. So it's a free Chrome extension where you just install it and it connects to your YouTube and you can spy on other people's YouTube channels. So instead of me trying to wonder, I wonder what people are looking for, I can see it directly. So some benefits of blogging is that it's better security. So for example, YouTube, they demonetize videos all the time. I've had them come from my channel and be like, I can't make money from this, even though I spent hours on it. So it's like now I have a website. So even if something were to happen in YouTube, I have something else. I have an HQ, a headquarters, something that's greater service. You can get sponsored by having a successful YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, but having a blog makes you more credible, so you're more likely to get paid more just by having a website. So how to start a blog with AI? But Bluehost, that's the name, is what I pay for to have my domain. And it's the price of a cup of coffee. It's never been cheaper to have a website. That's what I use to host the website. So hosting is like a house for your domain, for your website. So you need hosting first, and then you set up the blog. You can choose whatever free things they have, or you can pay for an expensive one. It's a highly reputable brand, Bluehost, and people and sponsors identify Bluehost specifically. If they see Weebly or like a Wix or those aren't seen as professional. So it's just all about perception in the game, but it's just something to keep in mind. Elementor AI is what I use to help with designing their website.
Be sure to download the PDF of this presentation in the description box. It also includes the bonus section of how to use AI to get more clients with freelancing.